Poly is sponsoring our Alex and Ragnar show, which is a bi-weekly live stream about Microsoft Teams news and everything around hybrid modern workplace. We're very thankful that Poly is sponsoring it. And here are the Raffle Prizes. It's all about home office kits, and we're going to unbox them and show you what's inside. Raffle prize number 1, which goes today directly to Mike, is a mixture and a combination of Poly Studio P5 webcam together with a Blackwire 3210 headset. I'm not going to really open it because it's going to be hygienic, safe, and I'm going to show you later in this video how the Poly P5 Studio webcam works. It's a 1080p cam, and here we have a mono-aural headset which is designed for Microsoft Teams. There's a special control for Teams calling management, volume up and down. There's also a button to accept and decline and stop calls. And it is designed for lightweight carrying. So if you like headsets which only need one single ear and the other ear is just free, which is especially very nice in summertime, then this is a good recommendation. The call quality is very clear, and it's also reducing background noise. And here we are seeing a difference on the headset. Now it's bi-aural, not mono-aural like we had before. And what I really like is here the combination that I can use it as a USB-C headset, and also I can remove here and have a 3.5mm jack. So I can also use this headset and put it into a classic microphone input for devices where I don't have a USB-C port. That's one big advantage. It's also more comfortable here, just softer, and you can easily move this around. Moving now to the 4000 series, so just had 2000 and 3000, now we have the 4220 Voyager UC together with the P5 webcam as a home office kit. So again, same camera, but here we see a huge difference. This headset can be placed on top of this stand and then it's going to be charged. So that's one important thing. And of course, there is here no cable anymore. No USB-C, no USB-A, and it's just wireless using Bluetooth. The quality of the noise reduction here is pretty good. The clarity of the microphone as well. That's what I've checked here on this generation. What we also see is that we are missing the button of the cable, of course, to control the volume, but that's part of the touch buttons here using this headset. So accepting calls and declining calls and changing the volume is part of the touch controls. You also get some voice notification, because it could be that you're running out of battery, then it will tell you. Also when you have some connectivity issues or you're currently in the pairing phase of Bluetooth, or next case, incoming call, then the headphone would tell you if you want to accept it. Or you're just talking while you're on mute, then you would also get a notification. Next home office kit is not a headset, it's a speakerphone together with the Studio P5 webcam. And here we're going to see the Sync 20 speakerphone. Poly has got different ranges, different sizes, the 40 and the 60. The 20 is the recommendation for smaller rooms. And here it's certified for Teams. There's this dedicated Teams button here, and you can change the volume. You can you can accept and decline calls, go into mute, and it really feels nice. It feels beautiful, and it's also designed to listening to music, podcasts, videos, audiobooks. So not only calls and meeting, it's great. And so it's a hybrid device which blends between business and personal life and your hobbies. Please check out my video. I've done a deep dive on this speakerphone where I'm showing the, let's say, 10 most important features. That's how I love to work in my living room. I'm usually standing here on the stand-some desk. And what I like about the Poly P5 is that it has got room and space for a dedicated dongle. So if you have a headset dongle, for example a BT700, which fits well to the Poly Voyager Focus 2, then you don't need to put the dongle into your laptop. You just leave it there, and then you've got one more free space on your laptop.
Poly Lens is a very helpful tool to, for example, update your Poly Studio 5 and other devices from Poly. You can also see that you're connected. And here I've got a few controls. I can do a preview how I'm currently looking like. Here I can just go and adjust and zoom in. I can also move around with my cursor. I can change the brightness, I can change the contrast, hue, saturation, sharpness, gamma, white balance, gain, focus, exposure. So a lot of settings. That's not usual for cameras at this price range.
It's now a typical hybrid work situation. I'm cruising around with my van. I'm currently next to a nice beach and lake. There is somebody next to me currently cleaning. You should also hear some background noise. But yeah, so you can see the P5 is not only designed for home office, it also works very nice in hybrid work situations right now on a beautiful sunny day.